In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using the new Outlook for Windows. This feature is incredibly handy for when you want to compose an email now, but send it at a later time that's more convenient for your recipient. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your Outlook desktop app. This step is crucial because the Schedule Send feature is integrated within the desktop version of the new Outlook. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see an option to create a new email. Give that a click to open up a fresh email message window. With your new email window open, go ahead and populate it with all the necessary details. This means entering the recipient's email address, composing your subject line, and writing your message in the body of the email. Make sure to double check all the information to avoid any last-minute mistakes. You also have the opportunity to attach any files or add links just like you would with a typical email. Now, when you're ready to move on to scheduling, take a look beside the send button. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow next to it. This is the magic button that allows you to schedule your email. Click on this drop-down arrow and you'll see the option to select Schedule Send. It might seem too simple, but sometimes the little things make a big difference. Upon selecting Schedule Send, a new window will appear asking you to specify the date and time you want your email to be sent. It's important to choose a date and time that aligns with your recipient's schedule, whether it's to catch them at their desk first thing in the morning or during a more relaxed afternoon period. Once you've set the schedule to your preference, just confirm your choices and voila, your email is now ready to be sent at the designated time. Let's review what we just accomplished. We started by logging into the Outlook desktop app, then navigated to the top left corner to create a new email. We filled out all necessary information in the email. Then, instead of sending it immediately, we used the drop down next to the send button, selected the Schedule Send option, and chose our preferred date and time for sending. By scheduling your email, you've tapped into a great productivity tool that ensures your messages are sent when they're most likely to be read and acted upon. It helps you stay organized and thoughtful about your communication strategy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of Outlook and your other favorite tools.